The DJI Avata 360 FPV drone is edging closer to its official release, sending waves of excitement through the drone and aerial cinematography community, as enthusiasts now have tangible evidence that the launch is imminent. On November 19, 2025, this highly anticipated drone was officially listed in the United States Federal Communications Commission database, marking a significant milestone in its path toward commercial availability. This FCC listing is far from just a routine regulatory step. It signifies that the Avata 360 has successfully passed one of the most critical regulatory hurdles necessary for legal sale in the U.S., confirming that DJI is fully preparing to deliver this next-generation immersive flying camera to creators, filmmakers, and FPV hobbyists. With FCC certification now on record, speculation and rumors are giving way to real consumer readiness, indicating that DJI's roadmap for this compact, yet technologically advanced FPV drone is moving steadily toward a tangible release window. The FCC approval confirms that the Avata 360 meets rigorous wireless communication, electromagnetic compatibility, and electronic safety standards, a requirement for any device that operates using radio frequency transmission to ensure that it does not cause harmful interference and that it performs safely during operation. The official listing, filed under FCC ID SS3DVN3NT, not only provides compliance confirmation for the U.S. market but, coupled with the IC certification, also ensures regulatory adherence for Canada, reassuring North American drone buyers about legal and safe operation. The filing further reveals technical details, including battery specifications, operational warnings, and mandatory reminders for safe handling, such as keeping fingers clear of propellers and avoiding contact with moving drone parts. Interestingly, this approval comes during a politically sensitive period, as the FCC has recently implemented regulations aimed at restricting devices that could potentially pose national security risks, and DJI has historically been under scrutiny in such discussions. Despite these challenges, DJI continues to press forward with its innovation, demonstrating that the Avata 360 is a top priority and that the company is committed to maintaining leadership in the FPV drone market. In terms of specifications and performance, the Avata 360 is shaping up to redefine the FPV drone experience, promising to combine versatility, high-resolution imaging, and advanced cinematic capabilities in a single compact package. Early leaks and credible industry reports suggest that it could feature dual 1/1.1-inch image sensors capable of full 360-degree capture, delivering up to 38-megapixel still images, ensuring extraordinary clarity and professional-grade image quality for photography enthusiasts. On the video front, the Avata 360 is rumored to support ultra-high-definition 8K video recording at 50 frames per second for panoramic aerial footage, while also offering traditional FPV shooting in 4K resolution at up to 120 frames per second, catering to content creators who demand both cinematic breadth and immersive flight perspectives. For those invested in color science and post-production workflows, the drone is expected to include 10-bit D-Log-M color profiles, enabling filmmakers to achieve advanced color grading and precise visual storytelling directly from the captured footage. Stability, one of the most critical aspects of FPV flying, is expected to be enhanced through DJI's Rocksteady 3.0 technology, combined with intelligent horizon leveling, ensuring smooth, cinematic footage even during high-speed maneuvers. The drone is also projected to incorporate advanced obstacle sensing with AI-assisted LiDAR capabilities, allowing for safer navigation in complex environments, while a robust 25-minute flight time provides ample opportunity for creative exploration. Connectivity and transmission are set to benefit from OcuSync 4.00 latency technology, promising uninterrupted real-time video feeds over long distances, a crucial factor for professional and hobbyist FPV pilots alike. With reports suggesting a potential pricing of around $999 for the Flymore combo, the DJI Avata 360 positions itself as an accessible yet professional-grade FPV solution that could dominate the market in 2026, appealing to drone enthusiasts ranging from hobbyists to professional content creators who are eager for high-end, cinematic FPV PE. performance in a compact, easy-to-fly package. All these developments strongly indicate that the Avata 360 is poised to become a game-changing release in the FPV drone ecosystem, combining high-resolution imaging, advanced flight technology, extended battery life, safety features, and professional-grade video recording in a single, versatile drone that could very well set the standard for the next generation of immersive aerial filmmaking and creative aerial content production worldwide. Whether you are a professional filmmaker, content creator, or FPV hobbyist, the DJI Avata 360 promises to deliver a highly immersive flying experience, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in both cinematic and recreational drone flying, making it one of the most anticipated drone launches of the year and potentially the definitive FPV drone of 2026.